करुणा जलधे दासरधे कमनीयानन सुगुणनिधे करुणा जलधे दासरधे कमनीयानन सुगुणनिधे करुणा जलधे నీమయమే గానియలను నేమని నే దూరుదును కరుణా జలధే నిజదాసుల అనుభవమొకటి నిన్ను తెలియని జన మతమొకటి కరుణా జలధే వలచుచు నామము సేయుదురే తలచుచు ప్రొద్దుపోగొట్టుదురే కరుణా జలధే సుకృతములొప్పగింతురేని ప్రకృతిని తెలిసే గింతురే కరుణా జలధే మనసారగా పూజింతురే మాటి మాటికి యోచింతురే కరుణా జలధే నిన్ను కనులను కన కోరుదురే నవ నిధులభిన సుఖమును కోరరే కరుణా జలధే నీవన్నిటయని పల్కుదురే నీవే తానని కులుకుదురే కరుణా జలధే తమలో మెలకుచు నుందురే తారక రూపుని కందురే కరుణా జలధే భాగవత ప్రహ్లాదహిత రామ పావుక చాగరాజనుత కరుణా జలధే దాశరథే కమనీయానన సుగుణనిధే కరుణా జలధే. The unconditional nectar of universal harmony, energy, grasped by Tyagaraja in this composition and transform that nectar into a beautiful lyric for us, for all of us to enjoy that nourishment. Let us move on. This is welcome to the Lalita Divya Rahasya Sahasranama Stotra. Let us move on. Next nama is Avyakta. Karmacharana of 7th generation human in Kalyana in Uttarayana Dakshinayana cycle. Through the Nama Mola Prakriti, the soul energy has manifested. The next step is to implement soul-driven karmacharana in Uttarayana Dakshinayana cycle. Initially, this Karmacharana is practiced in Samayachara cycle. The training was given in Samayachara cycle. The Samayachara, which is beyond Dakshinachara, are northbound, and Vamachara, which is southbound, is a platform for imparting the training. As part of this training exercise, 7th generation human on his own attempts to open the containers, attempts to eat food on his own. Similarly, he attempts to disorganize the orderly arranged vessels. That is helter-skelter throwing of objects, etc. All this type of Karmacharana action he tries to attempt. Some of these attempts will yield success. When it is registered as success, his soul energy gets enriched and his personality blossoms. Avyakta means having the mind of Pancha Brahma or southbound forces and personality of Narayani or northbound force. With these faculties, performing Karmacharana in Manipuraka Chakra by expending Tamogunas, meaning expending of Tamogunas in a state of Sivasikta Samarasya. Manipuraka Chakra is a predominantly an inertia driven, and hence any Karmacharana performed in Manipuraka Chakra will be of a large force. Through this Nama, Avyakta, Shanta re-enters planet Earth. In a scripture known as Sankhya Mata, Sukshma Malingamache Tanamanadi Nidhanam Tada Prasavadharmi Niravayava Mekame Vahi Sadharaname Tadavyaktam. As per Pancha Sikhacharya, Anadimadhyam Mahata Param Dhruvam Pradhanam Avyakta Musanti Surayaha. In Linga Purana, Pradhanam Avyaktam Yam Yoniravyaktam Prakrutistamaha Vishno Retani Namani Nityam Prabhavadharminaha. Next Nama is Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini. The onset of soul-driven Karmacharana of 7th generation Kalyana human. In the harmony state of Sivasikta Samarasya, the soul-driven Karmacharana was executed, and such an impression gets registered on personality. Thanks to the prior training administered by Panchabrahma and Narayani entities, the personality has risen to a state beyond Vyakta and Avyakta. Vyakta means enrichment of personality as a result of successful execution of power of intent or Sankalpa Bala. Avyakta means diminishing or weakening of personality due to the failure in execution of power of intent or Sankalpa. Successful execution of power of intent is called Sankalpa Siddhi, while failure in execution of power of intent is termed Vikalpa. When the Sankalpa happens, the soul energy enhances, and when Vikalpa is materialized, the soul energy diminishes. Let's see an example. The power of intent of soul to eat a sweet. This message is transformed into Kundalini waves from the soul. The Kundalini waves from Mooladhara traverses upward, surpassing the 3 knots, that is Brahma Grandhi, Vishnu Grandhi and Rudra Grandhi. Some proportion of energy of power of intent ejects through the Duracell or Brahmarandra into the external universe. A corresponding universal energy, a proportion of that, is transferred back into the human body through the same Duracell. This energy further reaches Rudra Grandhi and from there enters into the capillary tubes of Hida, Pingala and Sushumna Nadi. Based on the strength of the signal that has entered in Brahmarandra, these three nadis generate Sattva, Raja, Tamo gunas, and these are uncovered in these three nadis. How to expend these three gunas for this particular karmacharana is being decided by the faculties. Intellect approves the right proportion of Sattva, Raja, Tamo gunas for a particular karmacharana, a selected karmacharana. Discretion weighs on the pros and cons of execution of the karmacharana. A personality will decide on the extent of enrichment or promotion to its faculty by execution of this karmacharana. Finally, the control is passed to the mind. The faculty of mind oscillates around the sweet and prompts the senses towards external action. Subsequently, senses motivates the physical organs towards the action. Finally, the box is opened. The sweet is consumed, being tasted by the senses. This information is communicated back to the faculties. How does the information reach the faculties? The power of intent wave that was launched, a prayer, was superposed with this information that the sweet was consumed. The superposed wave now reaches the faculties. From there, finally, to the soul, Panchabrahma Narayani. Due to the execution of karmacharana, the soul presence in Mooladhara is being felt. The same karmacharana, when performed without the power of intent or sankalpa of soul, or under the influence of senses, in that case, soul presence in Mooladhara is not being felt. It is called avyakta. That state is avyakta. Therefore, Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini means some atoms that are soul driven and some that are under the shadow of senses. The seventh generation Kalyana human getting that kind of experience. Through the Nama, Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini, Nishkama re-enters planet Earth. Remaining part we will discuss in the next episode. Thank you.